You don't need to sew your clothes. You don't need to clean your chimney. And you don't need to install your home doors. You have Energy Wizard. Our expert team will come to your home, measure your space, and install your custom-made door.
Tell me what you're doing right now.
I am removing the stop molding because to allow for the new door to go in, we have to make enough room in the rough opening to accept a new door frame.
What's a rough opening?
Your rough opening is the size larger than the actual door that's going in there. That allows you room to shim it and to make it level, plumb, and square.
I am working on putting in a new door for the customer. We have taken out a 3-foot regular entry door, and we're putting in a 6-foot sliding door. So what we go ahead and we open up the wall. First thing I did was we took off all the vinyl siding, and now we're going to get into the structure itself, and then we're going to start the process.
With every detail chosen by you, we help you create the exact door you want. It's home. Energy Wizard helps make it your perfect home. For more information, visit nrgwizard.com. And don't forget to like us on Facebook.